Claude Fable 5 just dropped and I already used it to create AI UGC ads. Everyone is talking about how powerful it is. I put it to the test. Here's exactly what happened, step by step. Step 1. Open Claude Fable 5 at claude.ai. This is Anthropic's most powerful model ever released to the public, launched just days ago. Now before you type anything, upload your product images directly into Claude. The more visual context you give it, the more specific, detailed and accurate your UGC prompt will be. Now type this. Create a detailed UGC video prompt for this product. Tone should be authentic, conversational, problem solution based. Include scene descriptions, pacing, and visual direction. Optimize it for AI video generation. Because you uploaded your product images, Claude Fable 5 now writes a prompt that is specific to your exact product. Colors, texture, use case, everything. Copy that prompt. Step 2. Go to Tagshop AI. Click on Asset Generator on the home page. Step 3. Paste your Claude Fable 5 prompt into the text field. Now upload those same product reference images again. So Seedance 2.0 has the same visual context Claude had. Step 4. Set resolution to 9:16. Duration and select Seedance 2.0 as your model. Hit generate. What you get is a cinematic, product-accurate AI UGC video, prompted by the world's most powerful AI, produced by Tagshop AI, powered by Seedance 2.0. Claude Fable 5 understands your product. Tagshop AI builds the video. You just download and run the ad. This is just the beginning. Follow for more AI UGC tutorials every week.